I think everybody's path is really unique. I feel that I've kind of come into the teachers that I've been working with just, by some miracle and have created a certain system for myself and with them as our relationship has continued to grow and evolve throughout the years that feels sustainable for both of us and is something that I allow other people to participate in as well. So, for instance, I have a maestra and been working with her for a few years, and throughout the last couple years, have really deepened our relationship to where, I'm able to catalog her Icaros and her medicine and create a Patreon for her so that she's able to receive monthly donations, monthly support that has honestly revolutionized her life in so many incredible ways. And through that, that is able to ease her in her financial situation there in Peru, so that whenever I come in and doing my own diets and my own studies with her, there's already this like very deep connection and appreciation that's there because it's a lot, to come into different communities or start interacting with indigenous people that are from a completely different culture. And even though I am brown, even though that I am, of Mexican descent, I am not Peruvian and I'm not from the Amazon jungle. And I come into these spaces with that awareness. Um, and also that, within these traditions, there's so many different facets and there are so many different traditions. So when I'm working with, for instance, her, my maestra, it's not just the traditions that she's sharing, but also her own internal processing, the ways that she's developed her very unique individual relationship with not just with ayahuasca, but all the plants and trees, all of the diets that she's done, all of the hardships that she's gone through in creating this beautiful form of medicine and the icaros that she shares and just her energy, that she's created for herself. And she has helped me and propelled my own healing so profoundly. And so just from that natural frequency of gratitude and appreciation, and also the awareness of knowing, okay, this is somebody that also needs support so that they can continue with their work, I think has produced that natural flow of, okay, I will support you as you're bestowing this incredibly valuable knowledge onto me. And through that, we can keep everything nice and clear and reciprocate it, in that way. And I have another teacher as well. He owns a healing center in Peru, close to Pucallpa. So he's still in the developmental stages of the center. I was there for his inauguration. So they're taking the first group, did the first ceremonies in the Maloka, and has been a project and a whole effort of continuing to cultivate the plants and trees there. So have worked with the maestra to plant and cultivate more medicines there, but continue to bring groups down so that they can both receive the medicine directly from the lands there, and it also continues to support my teacher's efforts and the center itself, so that that can continue to become a new legacy of preservation of the lands, cultivation of these medicines, cultivation of these ways. And of course, all the maestros, maestras that come there, who also work there and are able to work as maestros, curanderos, curanderas there, they're able to continue with their life purpose and what they want to be doing in sharing with the world. So through that is just sort of like a whole exchange.